Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Camarilla Pivot Level on your TradingView account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TradingView account. After that, what you want to do is log into your TradingView account. After logging in, you'll find indicator on the top of your screen. Just click it. Now, just search Camarilla Pivot on search option, and you'll find this Camarilla Pivot on the search result. Just click it. Now, to get the Camarilla Pivot level, all you gotta do is click on this 30-day free trial and purchase it. That's how you can get it. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.